Hi, in this video, we are going to review exercise for histogram and then cumulative frequency diagram. So number 3, we need to draw the cumulative frequency table for those 100 babies. So first is the number of the babies, so let us draw one more. The table here. I will use the cumulative frequency. So first, this is 8, and then 8 we plus by 49, we got 57, and then we plus by 35, we got 92, plus by 7 is gonna be 99, and plus by 1 is 100. So using scale, okay, we need to draw it to the diagram. So here is the mass, will be enough. I think let's make it smallest. Here's the diagram. Let us rewrite again. So the mass from 0 to 3, and from 3 to 3.5. The next from 3.5 to 4 is too big. Okay, and then 4 to 4.5, and the last mass is 4.5 to 6 here. Here's the cumulative frequency. So as we do before, 8, so this is 8 plus 45, so it's gonna be 57 plus by 35, it's gonna be 92, plus by 7 is 99, and plus by 1 is 100. Here is the table. Now let us draw it diagram. So this is from 1 to 6. I think this will be fine. 1 to 6. Let's mark. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the mass of baby in kilogram. Next, let us make it the cumulative frequency starting from 0 to 100. If this is to 100, so here is to 100. Yeah, let's count it in 10. Here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So it's 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, and then 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay, look at the last digit. This is 3, and the cumulative is 8. So 3 and 8. So here is the plot. We make it the plot next. 3.5 and 57. So we got 3.5 here and 57. Okay, last class interval is 4 and 92. So 4 to 92. Yeah, it's approximately here. Next we got 4.5 to 99. So 4.5 to 99 here. And the last we got 6. Last is 6 to 100. Okay, here starting from 0. So we'll draw it going up to the plot. Yeah, there it is. Next question. So use the cumulative frequency diagram to find the median. So if this is 100, the median is 50. So it's going here, 50 and down. So here approximately the median is 3.4 kilogram. Upper quartile, so 75. Here, and we're going down. Yeah, make it straight. Why she cannot make it straight? Okay, it's 4.1. So this is the C2 is 4.1 kilogram. We estimated inter-range quartile, so we need to find the here and lower quartile 25. Okay, it's 3.1. So for the interrange quartile is Q3, upper quartile we minus with the lower quartile. Upper quartile is 4.1, lower quartile is 3.1, so the interquartile range equal to 1. Next, for the number of the babies must greater than 3.5. Okay, we can make it 3.5 here, 50. Yeah, from here. So 100 we minus with the 50. Yeah, 54. So here the fourth 100 we minus with from starting point 54. So it's gonna be 46. Okay, next the 80% percentile is here. 80% going and down. Yeah, approximately. Yeah, here. So 4 point. Yeah, actually you can make it better with the ruler. So it's gonna be 4.1 kilogram. Yeah, you can use a better ruler. Okay, here is still cumulative. So starting this is the frequency. Find the estimate mean of the height. Okay, let's make it the cumulative frequency here. Cumulative frequency. So it's 3 plus 8 is 11, and then I think you cannot see it. So starting from 3 plus 8 is 11, and then 11 we plus by 15 is 26, 26 plus by 4 is 30. Here is the cumulative frequency. So let's use the ruler from 0 to 12. I think we can, let's count it from here, 1 to 12. Okay, we got it until 12. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So here is the height in centimeter. Next, let us find the cumulative frequency. Okay, so we got it. The cumulative is from 0 to 30. Let's count it in 5. Okay, let's count it in 5. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Okay, let's mark. Here is 30. We can mark it from here. So starting from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then 30. Here is the cumulative frequency. Okay, look at that. This is 3, the last, and here is 3. So, yeah, here is 3 and 3. Next, this is 6 and 11. Okay, 6 and 11. We can write it here, 6 and 11. Next, we got 9 and 26. So this is 9. And here is 26. Last 12 and 30. So 12 and 30 is here. Now we will draw it from 0 going up to 3. Okay, to the curve. The median, if this is 30, a half of 30 is 15. So, okay, I will use the ruler. So it's 15. Make it straight line from here and going down. Okay, so here is 6.4. So the median 6.4 centimeter. Next, the lower quartile. So this is 1/4 of 30. So we need to find the position of 1/4 of 30. This is 7.5. So here is 7.5. So here is 7.5. Make it the straight line. Okay, and going down. Okay, so this is Q1. B, Q1 equal to 4.5 centimeter. About Q3, so it's 3/4 of 30. So it's 22.5. So 22.5 is here. We draw the straight line and going down here to 8. So the quartile 3, or this is we can say as the upper quartile, is 8 centimeter. Then for the interquartile range, this is Q3 minus by Q4. So we got 8 minus by 4.5. So this is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, what percentage were 9 centimeter or taller? Okay, so this is 9 centimeter. Oh, we can see from here, 9 centimeter is 26. So only 4 of 30 times 100%. So the C is gonna be 13.33%. Okay, here is the last question. So the table and the histogram show, so but some of information is missing. Okay, here 0 to 10, the frequency density equal to 3. So look at it, 5 to 10. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here is 2.5. So 0.5, 1, 0.1, yeah, here 2.5, and here is 3. So here is the 3 from 0 to 10. So we'll draw it. Here 0 to 10, the frequency density equal to 3. 10 to 15, the frequency density, if this is 5, this is 7.5, 8, 8.5, this is 9. So frequency density equal to 9. Okay, here's 15 to 25 equal to 4. So it's 2.5, 3, 3.5, and then 4. However, we need 4.5. So here is 4.5. Okay, you can draw it. Okay, last 25 to 30, the frequency density, this is 5, 5.5, 6, here is 6.5. We need 2.5, so here it is, 2.5 line from 30 to 40. Okay, we draw it. Yeah, there it is for the review exercise. Thank you.